You wake up tired, even after a full night's sleep. By mid-afternoon, you're drained. Your drive, both mental and physical, isn't what it used to be. And when it comes to intimacy, it feels like your body isn't listening anymore. But what if I told you? This isn't just aging, it's a warning sign. And I'm sure you want to fix this issue. You are at the right place. It's not a magic pill. It's not another supplement you saw on Instagram. It's something sitting right in your kitchen drawer. 3 simple nuts. And number 3 nut will blow your mind. Yes, real food that's backed by science and proven to restore energy, confidence, and even testosterone, naturally. According to the Cleveland Clinic, after age 30, men lose about 1% of their testosterone every year. That means by your 50s or 60s, your hormone levels could be dangerously low, causing fatigue, poor circulation, low libido, and even mood swings. But the body is smart, it just needs the right tools. And these nuts? They're those tools. Are you getting me? These 3 nuts are packed with natural compounds that stimulate circulation, support hormone production, and bring back that fire you thought was gone for good. And best of all, you don't need to break the bank. You just need to know what to eat and how. So, sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end. Don't forget to carry your pen and book to jot down important points I will mention. Nut number 1, pistachios, the natural performance booster. Feeling sluggish in the bedroom? Low stamina during workouts? This little green nut might be your secret weapon. Pistachios aren't just tasty, they're testosterone friendly. They're rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and plant sterols that improve vascular health, reduce inflammation, and support hormone balance. Even better, they're packed with arginine, boosting nitric oxide just like walnuts. A study published in the International Journal of Impotence Research found that men who ate pistachios daily saw improvements in erection firmness, sexual satisfaction, and energy levels, all in just 3 weeks. Mr. John, a 70 years old, came to my clinic frustrated, but after just 2 weeks of adding 20 to 30 pistachios daily, he felt a surge in energy, improved performance, and his confidence returned. How to eat: snack on them raw, sprinkle on Greek yogurt, or blend into smoothies. If this is resonating with you so far, hit the like button and share this with someone who needs it. It could make all the difference. Nut number 2, Brazil nuts, the hormone restorer. Here's a mineral you're probably not getting enough of: selenium. And Brazil nuts are the richest source on the planet. Selenium is crucial for healthy testosterone levels, prostate protection, and energy metabolism. Just 1 Brazil nut a day can make a massive impact. Research shows that selenium supports sperm quality, reduces oxidative stress, and enhances testosterone output naturally. Mr. Michael, 75 years old, felt completely burnt out. I recommend just 1 Brazil nut daily. In a month, his mood lifted, energy returned, and his zest for life was back. How to eat it: 1 nut daily, don't overdo it. Brazil nuts are potent. If you're finding these tips helpful, subscribe now for weekly science-backed videos on men's health and nutrition. Nut number 3, walnuts, the circulation king. Think of circulation like the fuel system for your entire body. When blood flows freely, everything works better: your brain, your muscles, your stamina, and yes, even down there. Walnuts are loaded with L-arginine, an amino acid that helps your body produce nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves flow. As you age, your body produces less nitric oxide, and the result? You feel slower. Your performance drops. You feel off. But just 1 handful of walnuts a day, about 7 to 9 nuts, can help turn that around. A 2022 study published in Nutrients showed that men who consumed walnuts daily had improved endothelial function and reduced vascular inflammation. Quick tip: toss them into your morning oatmeal or eat them as an afternoon snack. And as usual, I have a bonus for you. Someone might ask me, what if I combine the 3 nuts for maximum effect? Each of these nuts is powerful on its own. But together, they form a super stack for men over 40. Walnuts enhance blood flow. Pistachios support performance and hormone balance. Brazil nuts supercharge testosterone and mood. When combined, their effects multiply, naturally restoring energy, drive, and vitality without any pills or prescriptions. Try this simple mix: 5 walnuts, 20 pistachios, 1 Brazil nut. Mix into a trail blend. Enjoy daily. In just 2 to 3 weeks, you'll feel the shift. Let's recap what we learned. Pistachios improve testosterone and performance. Walnuts restore blood flow. Brazil nuts protect your hormones and prostate. Simple, accessible, and backed by real science. All from nature, nothing synthetic. So, tell me, which of these nuts are already in your kitchen? Or are you just now discovering their power? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health-transforming videos every week. Your best years don't have to be behind you. Let's reclaim your energy, one handful at a time.